Hey guys, it's Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, this is the one you've been looking for right here. This is a 1999 Pontiac Firebird TransAm WS6 with 6,000 original miles. Let me say that one more time. 6,000 original miles on this car right here. One of a kind. It's the one you've been looking for. Absolutely clean as it gets. One of the nicest Transams around. We're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1999 Pontiac Firebird TransAm WS6. Like I said, this car has 6,000 original miles on this car right here. Clean CarFax, and it just doesn't get much nicer than this. It's got the LS1 high performance engine in this car that Trans Am made for the WS6. It's got the chrome WS6 wheels on it, and just absolutely clean as a pin. We're going to take a look at the interior first. All the leather on this car is like brand new, just absolutely beautiful and clean. Those floor mats look great. It's got the Trans Am floor mats. It's even got the original warning sticker still hanging from the console. Really nice and clean. Looks good. It's got the T-tops as well in this car. We do have them out for the video. I have pictures on the website of the T-tops in the car. If you'd like to see that, or if you'd like any more pictures or videos of the car, please don't hesitate to give me a call. I'll be glad to get those for you. Not a problem at all. We'll shut the door here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. I have Dad help me pop the trunk open here. Trunk lid raises great. Shocks are all in good shape, but really nice and clean on the inside of the trunk. Those are the T-tops. No scratches on them at all. Really look good, and really nice and clean. It does have the T-top covers too. If you'd like to put those on, they've never been put on. It's still got the plastic stickers on there from where they've never been put on before. But we're going to shut the trunk. We're going to start it up and let you hear how it sounds. Exhaust is all new on this car as well. Somebody put a Borla exhaust on this car, and really nice, and sounds good, and is brand new on the car. So very nice. Here, let me cut this off so we can take a look at the driver's side of the interior. But I mean, just like I said, just like almost a brand new car. Really looks good. 6,000 original miles on this car. Clean CarFax. We're going to take a look underneath the hood. Just a second here. I'll finish showing you the interior. It's got tilt wheel on this car as well. You can pause that there if you like. We're going to take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, underneath the hood is powered by the LS1. This was one of the first cars that ever got the LS1, which was a modern day phenomenon that Chevrolet made and has lasted for years and years now. But really nice and clean underneath that hood. Like I said, it's basically just a brand new car. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that black Firebird right there. And just doesn't get much nicer than this car right here. Shut the hood here. We're going to take one more quick look at the 1999 Pontiac Firebird TransAm WS6. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this Trans Am for a test drive and see how it goes. We're going to take this 1999 Pontiac Firebird TransAm WS6 for a test drive. Let me show you the miles here. Go ahead and pause the video there. See the miles.
No lights,
just working.
Everything. No ABS. No nothing. No lights.
Yep. Excellent car right here. We're going to take it for a drive and see how it does. Got a couple of cars coming, and then we'll be ready to go. All right, here we go. and drives phenomenally. Shifts through all the gears the right way, no rattles or shakes in the car. Like I said, this is the car you've been looking for, and this is one nice car.
Just like when it rolled out in 1999.
Yes, sir.
Brand new. Even smells good.
It does. We're going to turn around and head back here. And like we do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this Trans Am's made of. All right. And we got a little bit of traffic coming. As soon as it clears out, we'll be ready to go. Car has lots of power. Like I said, it shifts through all the gears the right way. Really just an excellent running, driving car. It doesn't get much nicer than this. And like I said, only 6,000 original miles on this car right here. But we're gonna almost back here. And like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. It helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions, give us a call, 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. Let's conclude the test drive video, and thanks for tuning in.